Planet X Nibiru will not hit Earth, but will strike Jupiter, destroying everything. Nibiru will strike Jupiter, destroying everything it has been claiming amid fears Planet X is poised to hit Earth. A YouTube video claiming to expose the truth about Nibiru, also known as, of course, Planet X or Wormwood, claiming Earth is heading for a massive cosmic event. The title noted, Planet X Nibiru won't come to Earth but will hit Jupiter and destroy everything. Claims Earth will be spared in a direct collision, but Nibiru will still perform a catastrophic flyby which will be devastating for humanity, according to the video. Now, for decades there have been those claiming that we would be impacted already, but of course that has not happened. Now, this conspiracy channel latest technology claims this. Nibiru theory claims a rogue planet system is barreling towards our solar planet for a cataclysmic extinction event by shifting Earth's poles and triggering violent volcanoes and earthquakes. Self-proclaimed Nibiru visionary argues the events which will unfold over Earth are now a hot topic for other intelligent species inhabiting our space. Marshall Master says what's going to happen to us is a cosmic event. This is something that is of great importance to many races out there. What happens to us? I guess you know that we're the top headline right now with what's going on. And he continues to explain the video how Nibiru is set to fly by past Earth, as pointed out in his visions. Now, a lot of them have not come to pass, thank goodness. This flyby, he says, will supposedly trigger earthquakes, tsunamis, and cause pole shifts of Earth's magnetic poles to the equator due to Nibiru's powerful gravitational waves. Planet X is believed to be 10 times the size of our Earth. He said, there is no question in my mind that when we have this flyby, we're going to have pole shift event, because when this mini constellation, a brown dwarf with planets and moons, comes around, it's going to arc over and above us and pass over us. All right? This is what he claims. He says, but when it does, it will be on our side of the sun. In another flyby, it was on the other side of the sun. That's the reason why no two flybys are alike in terms of the impact of the planet. And by the way, that prediction was made in 2008 and it was spot on. I talk about it in my videos, he said, so that is what I'm telling people to prepare for. Now, we know that NASA has come out a couple of years back saying they had a lady announce that we do have a brown dwarf star at the edge of our solar system. So that's confirmed. Now, going back to this, and if that concept was not terrifying enough, the Nibiru theorist claims Earth is currently trapped in the outer bands of Nibiru, which has already entered the solar system. Based on his research and observations of meteor activity, Masters concluded that in comparison to the rings of Saturn, Nibiru's bands are much larger and broader. He said that's what we're concerned about right now. We're doing a review on the data and in preparation, and we're looking at that and need to present that as honestly. This is a possible explanation. We are between the bands. But I look at the other events that are going on, the increase in solar activity that we finally are seeing, the Ring of Fire. Right now, there are bloggers that are reporting that the bisons are starting to walk out of Yellowstone. You know that is something that I have been looking for a long time. Nibiru theorist even claiming his research hit a nerve with U.S. space agency NASA. He said, I knew I hit a nerve because NASA had my books shut down on Amazon. That's typical knee-jerking response. I caught NASA red-handed and it does not resonate with people. NASA has repeatedly denied the existence of Nibiru and says the theory is a hoax. For years, NASA and the world's leading scientists have underlined that Planet X does not exist and there is absolutely no danger to Earth. There are no pictures, no tracking, no astronomical observations. I can quite specifically say how we know Planet X and Nibiru does not exist and does not threaten Earth. Firstly, if there was a planet headed into the inner solar system that was going to come close to Earth, it would already be inside the orbit of Mars. It would be bright. It would be easily visible to the naked eye. If it was up there, it would be easy to see. All of us could see it. This is what Morrison of NASA said. But he's talking about the inner solar system. We're talking about the outer solar system beyond our solar system edge. And NASA has confirmed we do have a brown dwarf star there. This is by Sebastian Ketley, Express UK, Unbended Reality. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.